Hello everyone, my name is James. Thank you for joining me. Today we'll be continuing looking at a neuron, and we're going to be adding some more parts to it. Okay, so the junction between the cell body and the axon, we have this little junction here. This area of the neuron is known as the axon hillock. Now this area is very important when it comes to the propagation of the action potential, which we will go into more detail in a different video, but just to introduce you to the structure or the area here, the axon hillock. Okay, very important part. Round the axon we will have cells known as glial cells. That's glial cells. Now these are insulating the axon, and this insulation allows for faster conduction of the action potential. Okay, so some neurons will not be insulated by these glial cells, but the ones that are, they are insulated, so the speed is increased of the action potential. Okay, now these glial cells are providing what is known as a myelin sheath. Now in the peripheral nervous system, these cells will be known as Schwann cells, and in the central nervous system these cells are oligodendrocytes. But again, we will come back to this in more detail in another video. So as we progress towards the axon terminals, another key thing we need to be aware of is in the axon terminals, let's do a little zoomed in terminal, we will have structures known as synaptic vesicles. Now these are membrane bound pouches, if you like, that will contain a chemical neurotransmitter shown here in red that is key to the action of the neuron itself. So the neurotransmitter is released, and this neurotransmitter can then act upon another neuron or a muscle or a gland. Okay, so these are a few more key structures we need to know, and if you join me in the next video, we will be learning more information. Okay, thank you for joining me. Please like, subscribe and leave a comment, including any requests, and I'll see you next time.